And I had moved 3 months ago to Texas.
How do you know he is?
Because there's no other way.
All right, okay. And you understand he has to be served with it in order to appear.
Okay.
If he's deemed to be the father, then we'll just move forward and see about the child support part, okay?
Okay.
There's nothing further. You are dismissed. Miss Sultan,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
So I had met my boyfriend online. We've been dating for a year, and I lived in Kansas at the time, and he lived in Texas, and he would fly to me, and we'd see each other often. I then got pregnant, and he had disappeared on me. So our daughter is now 5 months old, and I had moved 3 months ago to Texas so we could all be together.
So you moved to Texas from Kansas to be with him?
Yes.
Okay.
So
She met him online. Everything moved fast, and it felt like real love, or so she thought. He flew from another state to meet her, made big promises, and then she got pregnant. That's when everything changed. Now, she's in court holding a 5-month-old baby and a little hope. But where is he now? And why did he vanish when she needed him the most? Stay tuned. The truth is just starting to come out.
And I had moved 3 months ago to Texas so we could all
So
be
you
together.
moved to Texas from Kansas to be with him?
Yes.
Okay.
So our daughter could have both parents.
Okay.
And he had just disappeared on me. So now I would like child support.
Okay. I see you did request a DNA test.
Yes.
So he has not taken
He has
DNA.
not.
Okay. Does he know he's the father? Does he believe he's not the father?
He believes he's not, but I know he is.
How do you know he is?
Because there's no other way.
All right. Okay.
She moved across the country to start a family, but ended up alone. He says the baby isn't his, but she knows that's not true. With a shaky voice, she tells the judge there's no one else. Now she's asking for answers and support. But how can she prove he's the father if he won't even show up? What happens next could change
Because there's
everything.
no other way.
All right. Okay. Well, I see he's not here today, and that is partially because you did not serve him to be here today. So what you filed with me, the child support request and the request for DNA testing, you didn't actually get him served with that to be here today.
Okay.
Okay, and you understand he has to be served with it in order to appear.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay.
She came to court ready to fight for her child's future, but missed one important step. The judge spots a legal mistake. She never officially served him the papers. Now there's no DNA test, no court order, and no child support. Not yet. Tension fills the room, and time is running out. Can she fix it before it's too late?
And he has to be served with it in order to appear.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay, so what I'll do is I will order him to appear. He has to take DNA testing, well, get DNA testing done before he comes back to court. And I'll set you out, what do you need, like a month or so?
Yes, please.
Okay. All right, so he'll have to do DNA testing before then, so that way when we come back, if he's deemed to be the father, then we'll just move forward and see about the child support part, okay?
Okay.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
Judge isn't letting it go. He officially orders the father to show up and take a DNA test. No more hiding, no more running. This mother's fight is finally moving forward. If the test proves he's the father,